Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I think I figured out why the law of attraction hasn't been working for me the way that I've expected. I feel I had to make a video and share it with you because maybe you're going through the same thing that I am. And I think having different perspectives and reading and learning has allowed me to get to this moment that I've gotten to. And so in this video, I'll give a little memoir in a way of this moment that I had, and I hope that it can resonate with you as well. I've really been wanting to get into a healthy routine, healthy for my body, healthy in the mind, where I feel motivated and focused on my goals and not distracted by my thoughts, by negative feelings, by other people around me, but just focusing really on what I want and what my goals are. I've been watching so many YouTube videos. People say that journaling helps them, and I personally feel like I'm always thinking. I always have thoughts and not good or bad thoughts, just like I'm always like assessing things around me and pondering and imagining and dreaming and quizzing and double checking that I did something right or wrong. So it really helped to sit down and write down my goals. In the last week, I've been watching a lot of motivational YouTube videos and what you need to do to kind of take that next step in manifesting, in learning about the law of attraction and getting what you really truly want. What I journaled about was moving backwards, visualizing what it is that I really do want, and then writing down how can I get there, doing the planning. And so Annie Jeffrey mentioned this in her recent video about the steps, where the first step is imagining and visualizing, feeling what that will feel like. And that's the first thing that I did, is I wrote down in the journal what it is I want in a certain topic, because there's many different topics. But today I wanted to focus on this topic. It was something I've been thinking about, and something I want to address as one of the first things. It's my priorities. And so I wrote about it. I wrote what it would feel like, and I felt like happy, because mentally I was able to take myself there. Once I visualized and wrote down what exactly it is that I believe in and want to do and will do, then I started to plan and go backwards. So what are the steps I need to take to get there? And I've never really sat down to do that. I've always been visualizing and thinking and, I want this, but what am I actually doing? Like, am I contributing every day of my life to this thing that I want? And really, I'm not. And I could be, but laziness and being tired after work and not having as much motivation. Maybe it wasn't like a good day at work, or just mentally I didn't sleep well. All those things, whatever it is, stop me from taking action. And I kind of just say whatever. And I feel like a lot of us do that. Either way, putting that aside and being lazy and not doing the things that I could literally just put the phone down, scrolling on Instagram, scrolling on YouTube, just put the phone down and actually do it. And I just haven't. And so today I wrote down, this is what I need to do, and this is what I need to focus on. And it helped me focus on the actions that I need to take, rather than mentally always imagining what I want. For example, let's say that I want to buy a Chanel purse, or a certain brand of purse. Let's say I want to buy a Chanel purse. So I keep thinking, gosh, I want a Chanel purse. So I keep looking at photos. I look at it online and I add it to my cart, and I imagine what it would feel like. I look in the mirror and I have the purse and I imagine what it would feel like. And that's definitely part of manifestation. That's the visualization part. But that's the only part that I'm doing. I'm visualizing, I'm looking at it, I'm like surrounding myself with it, but I'm not actually taking action. Like, what do I need to do to get that? So for example, if you need to make like $4,000 to do that, to get that purse, then that's where I'm moving backwards now. So what do I need to do to make $4,000? Oh, to make $4,000, maybe I could sell some of the stuff I have at home. Okay, so if I'm going to sell the stuff that I have at home, then how much profit am I make, blah, blah, blah. And you start to plan and organize and think. And I think that is what I realized today, was the fact that the planning is what I really need to do, and then taking action. So I feel so much more clarity. And I feel like it's taking me so long to get to this point, and I kind of felt stuck. Now I'm not focused on, I want that Chanel purse, even though it's still there and I still know that's my goal and know that's what I want. But now my goal is, okay, I'm going to go ahead and put my stuff up on sale and try to make that money and try to sell some stuff that I have at home. And I'm going to save like $200 from my paycheck every month. And imagine you can get to that spot in 6 months. And think about it. 2020 just passed. And within that, I could have went back and been able to say, I got my first Chanel purse in 2020 if I used that 6 months to do what I'm thinking and I'm implementing right now. What a difference, that perspective makes. And so I'm very excited, and I wanted to share this because maybe this is what you need to hear, because this is definitely what I kind of wish I heard. But at the same time, you also have to be ready to accept it. And I think maybe I wasn't really understanding, I wasn't grasping this law of attraction, this manifestation. I wasn't grasping it the way that actually makes it happen. I was just doing one part of it. And now it's time to do the actions and take a step back from all this dreaming. Because then when you're just dreaming, it makes you feel like it's not there. Like you keep wanting it, and then you keep thinking that it's just going to come to you. Starting from this point, there's no more giving up. There's no more excuses. Take action, have no fear, and get what you want. See you in my next video.